Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay Health is Wealth. Health is physical and mental well being. It is a great blessing of Allah. So long as we remain healthy, we do not value this gift. Health is God gifted. Man is to guard this gift. A healthy man enjoys the beauties of nature. He leads a happy and delightful life. On the other hand, nothing can relax an ill person. Such a person loses all charm in life. Life becomes boring for him. We should take every possible care of our health. We should go to bed early, get up early, and take exercise daily. We should keep our body clean, wear neat, clean clothes, and keep our nails clean. We must take meals at regular hours, brush our teeth twice a day, and be sure that it makes us healthy, wealthy, and wise. In case disease attacks us, we must consult the doctor at once and should not show any negligence. In order to maintain our health, balance in work, games, and rest are essential. We should avoid stale vegetables and stale fruits. We must refrain from smoking and cold drinks. Less food and more fruits is best for health. It is fact that only the healthy people can work properly and lead the nation to the highest of glory. Only such people can break the new grounds, discover new horizons, and bring about national progress. A sick person is an unbearable burden on himself and others. On the other hand, a healthy person is gleeful and spread happiness everywhere. That's why it is said health is wealth.